The World Health Organization issued a global alert on October 13, 2025, warning about 3 contaminated cough syrups manufactured in India, linked to the deaths of at least 17 children under 5 in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara. The syrups, Coldrif by Sresan Pharmaceuticals, Respifresh TR by Rednex, and Relife by Pharma, contain toxic diethylene glycol levels up to 48.6%, far exceeding the 0.1% limit, causing kidney failure and severe illness. Indian authorities banned Coldrif, recalled the others, arrested the manufacturer, and halted production, confirming no official exports but noting potential unregulated risks. This echoes 2022-2023 incidents killing over 140 children globally, highlighting regulatory gaps in screening domestic medicines amid ongoing investigations.